Returns true if the two strings only differ by one character. Write a function nearly equal to test whether two strings are nearly equal. Two strings string 1 and string 2 are nearly equal when string 1 can be generated by a single mutation on string 2. The function should return a boolean, true or false.
Interesting question. A natural approach would be to use a full-fledged Levenshtein distance, aka edit distance, and ensure it equals 1. However, for the special case of 1, you can do better. If the two strings are the same length, you clearly need to check that they differ in just one spot. If the length difference is above 1, then the result is clearly false. The interesting case comes when the difference is exactly 1, in which case you must check if the longer string can be made into the shorter one by dropping exactly one character. Here I'm swapping the strings, if needed, to ensure string 1 is longer by exactly one character. Now, we want to iterate independently on each string. I'll leave it up to you how to put together these snippets to make the overall function work as intended, so you can show at least some understanding of Python, as you're being asked to display.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.